This is the vehicle for you, if you're looking to get great gas mileage on your way to work. As much as it alters the road, this durable SAIT transforms its driver. This impeccable SU5 with its grippy four-wheel drive will handle anything Mother Nature decides to throw at you. Big grins. Includes a Carfax buyback guarantee. Just arrived. Great safety equipment to protect you on the road. Anti-lock brake system, passenger airbag, daytime running lights, dusk sensing headlights. Features include power windows, auto front air conditioning zones, dual air conditioning, cruise control,